Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to talk about the Samsung Smart PC which they have launched today here in India. This is how the Samsung Smart PC looks like. It has 11.6 capacitive touch LED display, which you can see. This is capacitive touch, so you can use the modern UI on this machine by using your finger. So it has some applications as well which come preloaded, which are from Samsung again, like S Note, S Player, and other applications like S Gallery and Chat On as well. If we talk about the specifications of this machine, then it comes with Intel Atom processor, which is 1.8 GHz, which has 1 MB of cache. Then you have genuine Windows 8 Consumer Edition running on this machine. It has 2 GB of DDR2 RAM, which runs at 800 MHz. It has 64 GB embedded SSD drive. Then you have the display, which is 11.6 inch 8 megapixel camera. So it has 8 megapixel camera on the back side. If you can see, this is the 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, and on the front side of the machine you have a 2 megapixel camera, which is for video calling, which you can see over here, this one. As far as the weight of this machine is concerned, this machine is pretty light and it is about 0.75 kg only. It has memory card slot as well. Let me show you the ports on this machine. So this one comes with a pretty sleek form factor. Here you have a USB port, which is over here. Here is the USB port, if you can see. Then you have a USB port over here as well on this side of the machine, which is over here. This is another USB port which you have. Then you have the screen, which is detachable, capacitive touch. So you can use this particular laptop by detaching the screen as a Windows 8 tablet as well. On the front side of the tablet, you have the Windows key with which you can go to the desktop mode or to the modern UI mode simply by pressing it. If we take a look over the other ports on the tablet, here you have a USB port over here. Then you have a orientation lock key. Here you have a power and sleep key, and here you have mic. Here you have 3.5 mm audio jack. Here you have another secondary mic for noise cancellation. On this side of the machine on the top, you have a micro SD card slot as well. So you can open this port and insert a micro SD card. On the right side of the machine, you have nothing. On the right bottom, you have a port where you can actually remove the S Pen from this particular machine, as you can see. So you do have an S Pen which comes with this machine, just like you see the S Pen on the Note 2. Here you have a button. So this S Pen is actually very nicely designed for this machine, and it works as well. Let me just show you how does it work. So if you press this button and keep the S Pen near to the screen, you will see the S Pen being active. If you can see the small dot on the screen. However, you do not have all the features which you have on Note 2 with S Pen, but this works pretty well for editing, and you can use the S Pen application on this device. So this is how the S Pen looks like with the Smart PC. This is the exact model number and other specifications. So the S Pen works quite brilliantly on this particular device. You do have most of the features. So if you open the S Note application, you can actually annotate on different screens and different notebooks which you have in this particular application. If you can see, so if I want to use the S Pen in this particular application, I just show you the demo of it. So you can select a template. You can select a template over here. Okay, we have it. So this is how you can annotate on the screen, and then you do have other options like controlling the pen size, the pointer of the pen size. the different kind of pen you can use. You do have the textual options as well, so you can type as well on this particular in this particular application. You do have the option to insert an image, clip art, text box, or any other feature. You do have the option to insert any text by using mic on this particular tablet. So about the S Pen application on this particular machine, apart from this, it comes with a detachable keyboard, which you can see over here, which gives laptop form factor. So you can use this keyboard with this particular tablet over here, and you can use it like a laptop once you close the lid. And this is how you can use it. This is actually a laptop plus tablet, which you see from Samsung, and this is Samsung Smart PC. That's all from us regarding the hands-on review of Samsung Smart PC. We will come up with detailed review very soon once we get the device. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.